This Philippine Airlines Airbus A321 drops about 100 feet in turbulence and makes passengers scream. Air pocket turbulence, often perceived as a sudden drop during flight, is caused by rapid airflow changes, creating brief, unsettling moments for passengers, but is generally considered safe by aviation experts. Bouncy Air Europa flight over the Balearic Sea between Valencia and Palma de Mallorca in Spain. Turbulence over sea or water, known as clear air turbulence, can occur without visual warning, often caused by air mass differences or jet streams, surprising pilots and passengers alike with sudden jolts. This LOT Embraer 190 performs a hard landing in Amsterdam after its flight from Warsaw. Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, one of the world's busiest, is known for being below sea level, featuring a single terminal concept that streamlines passenger flow through its innovative multi-pier design. A Swiss Airbus A320 shows its wing flex in clear air turbulence on its way from Athens to Zurich. Swiss International Airlines is at the forefront of turbulence awareness, employing advanced technologies and training to detect and navigate turbulence, enhancing passenger comfort and safety on flights. This passenger is capturing some crazy in-flight turbulence on Turkish Airlines Flight 10 from Los Angeles to Istanbul.
Oh, shit. Alrighty.
Remaining calm and wearing seatbelts during turbulence significantly reduces the risk of injury. It's a crucial safety measure, ensuring passengers are securely fastened, minimizing movement and potential harm. SpiceJet passengers on a flight from Delhi to Goa in India encounter a bumpy ride where the aircraft drops several feet. The flight route between Delhi and Goa often experiences turbulence due to the monsoon season and varying atmospheric pressures, making seatbelts and calmness essential for passenger safety and comfort.